I've been getting asked, when is the 90% off sale coming back? And I had no idea that it was going to come back this quickly. But here we are. Apex brought back their 90% off sale to celebrate $50 million in payouts in their company's history. Use coupon code Alpine at checkout and you'll get the 90% off the first month of your evaluations. The recurring months are 80% off, so don't be confused. It's not 90% off lifetime of the account, but hopefully you'll pass the evaluation in the first month as it is. For me, basically what it means is that I'll be able to resume my dream of 20 funded accounts with Apex tomorrow or this morning. The market opens in like super late, in like 7 hours. So I'll be purchasing a lot of evaluations. I was kind of holding back with the 71% off. I was able to use some of my 80% off coupons from my PA accounts that I lost. Obviously, it was a tough month for me, and I know it was a tough month for a lot of people based on my comments, based on my Discord history. The volatility spike definitely affected a lot of people, and now it's a perfect opportunity to restart that. We purchase these accounts now, we'll be able to get a withdrawal in November. So there's plenty of time and it still could be a great year for us. So keep that in mind. And I just want to mention also, if you've never gotten a withdrawal with any of your funded accounts, don't go crazy. Don't purchase so many evaluations or try to get funded with 20 accounts. Do not use a copy trader for a lot of accounts at once, because then it becomes very expensive. It's not expensive if you're able to take withdrawals. For example, I lost 15 funded accounts in October alone, right? But how much did I pay for them? And I withdrew 4,500 from ball locks. So, well, one funded account, $4,500 worth of payouts. Well, it's two accounts. I lost one. So, $4,500 worth of payouts to make it easy. I probably paid $1,500 for the evaluations and the activation fee for a month for those accounts. So I'm still profitable by quite a lot, even though it's not a lot of money. I'm still not losing money, right? And that's the big difference. So if you are someone that is still struggling to get to your first payout, don't worry. Trading is supposed to be difficult, and you have to just stay resilient and continue trading, continue getting better, and eventually you'll get that payout. And trust me, once you get a payout, it feels great because it pays for a lot of the fees that you've spent. So you want to keep your costs as minimum as possible. So my point is, do not go crazy. Do not buy 20, 30 evaluations. Do not copy trade all these accounts at once, because again, it will not help you if you lose them. Even though if it's 90% off, the fees still add up if you do not actually get payouts. But at the end of it, you know your budget, and it's still a lot cheaper than trading a live account. So I've traded live since 2016, end of 2016, and honestly I've lost quite a lot, and it was not easy to recover from those losses, because one loss, it would be a week's worth of paycheck, maybe sometimes 2 weeks worth of pay, as my regular job back then. And that's the path of trading before these prop firms became a thing. And people don't realize that people are coming into this trading world, and they could go right into a prop trading account with Apex or any other prop firm, and they think it's expensive. They have no idea. They really have no idea how expensive the journey of day trading really is in the beginning when you trade your own capital. And with stocks alone, you need $25,000 just to begin trading. So not only do you have to have the money in your account or be able to lose the account, but you first have to have it to lose it, So it's just much different ball game, and take advantage of it, guys. But again, just be a little cautious. You don't want to get yourself in too much trouble. And if you're not improving and you're just gambling these accounts, then that is something you have to be careful with. But super excited. I'm just so happy to be able to restart the journey tomorrow at a small cost. I've been trading one funded account with Apex and one funded account with Bullnox at this time, and those two accounts are doing really well. However, again, I lost 15 funded accounts a couple weeks ago, and I kept losing 2-3 accounts a day, and over a course of 5-6 days I lost 15 accounts, and it definitely hurt, but it wasn't a financial hurt. It was more so opportunity cost and the time that I put into it. And also, I would say the biggest thing is actually the fact that the trading strategy didn't work out. And I had to kind of think about what I was doing wrong and how I could improve because it was going so well on the evaluations. I felt like, it was gonna really go well, or a lot better than it did. And then you get slapped in the face with the market conditions changing. On the day one of my funded accounts, the market conditions completely changed. That's when everything happened. That's happening right now in the world, and it was just super volatile. And then I guess that caused me to spiral down a little bit or lose my confidence and second guess myself, and that's how things didn't go well. But financially, again, still profitable month, and I'm gonna use the withdrawals from Bullnox to pay for these new evaluations. But anyway, guys, code Alpine, thank you so much for all the support. I'll be making more videos and going live as well. And if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments down below.